enables on-site ship repairs. It allows for hull, propeller, and structural repairs without dry docking, saving both time, operational costs, and ensuring vessels remain in service longer. Reduces downtime for ships. Prevent delays in shipping schedules, ensuring vessels remain in service with minimal disruption. Enhances structural integrity and safety. Reinforce ship structures, effectively preventing cracks, leaks, and corrosion-related damage that could lead to serious accidents and costly repairs over time. Supports offshore and marine infrastructure, maintaining offshore oil rigs, underwater pipelines, and marine platforms, ensuring their stability, safety, and longevity through advanced technology and skilled professionals. This includes regular inspections, repairs, and upgrades to withstand harsh marine environments and prevent potential hazards.